Hey guys, I'm back and I'm putting on my gloves because I'm making some custom bottles right now for our launch on September 16th, which might have already passed depending on when I decide to edit this, but hopefully it did. So I already have this batch that I made a couple days ago. This is slippery, but I want to make more basically, and I want to keep it in the same container because I want to be able to fill it. When I fill the bottles, it'll just make it easier. So I'm gonna go ahead with my, first of all, y'all already know, wash your hands, did all of that off camera, and also always have Lysol wipes with you, just and to do any like quick cleanups. Okay, so as I'm doing this, guys, I'm like, I've been going through this creative block, and it's so weird because, like, I can't explain it. Like, I have all these really good ideas, but I feel like I'm also scatterbrained to the point where I can't give enough time to one idea, if that makes sense. So I'm trying to focus in. I think this winter, I'm going to be saving because I'm trying to move in 3 months to my own place. So it's going to be really exciting, but I'm not going to be able to go outside because when you save, you can't spend money. Alright, so I put the TKB base in. I just put it on top of the lip gloss I have already. Now, I'm going to go in with some almond oil. Almond oil, guys, if you don't know, this basically makes the lip gloss extra shiny. So okay guys, so here is the micas, the cosmetic glitters, all that I mixed in. I have a silver grayish color, I have my glitter silver, I have a glitter blue, glitter green, and that's gold. I over poured with the gold once again because I don't use that much measurement, but it's gonna come out good regardless. I mean, honestly guys, it's best to measure, so don't follow after me with that, but it's gonna come out good, don't worry. Now watch as I mix it. It's meant to be super holographic. Yeah, put way too much gold. It's actually really cute though. I don't know what color this is. This is not slippery anymore. Okay guys, so initially I put a little too much gold in it, gold glitter, but then I balanced it out with a little more silver and a little more gray, and this is how it came out. It looks amazing. This is why I say, guys, you can always balance it out. The only thing you want to watch out for is the consistency. So you don't want to put more glitter than base. Your ratio of glitter to base shouldn't be that high because it'll feel grainy and you'll feel the glitter on your lips. That's what you don't want. You want it to feel smooth and hydrating, so you don't want to feel that grain of the glitter. So I like to make sure that when I swatch it, when I put it on my lips, that I still feel that texture that I'm looking for. What do you guys think about this? How pretty. So cosmic. And this is called Slippery. It's available now on JJUHEARDCosmetics.com, and this batch is actually fruit punch flavored. I'm gonna swatch it now so you guys can see how it looks. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Slippery. Yes, this is it, sis. Now remember, the type of oils you use dictates how your gloss comes out. And while I put a lot of glitter in the gloss, I do not feel the glitter on my lips. I should not be able to feel that graininess. It should be smooth. These are my 3 tubes. They are gorge. My favorite, I'm not really sure. My favorite. Honestly, no, I'm lying. I do. This one's my favorite. It's just that shipping was like super expensive to get them all, I guess. No, but I also wanted a variation too of bottles, shapes, and sizes. This one is 8 milliliters, I believe. This one's 8 milliliters. This one's 10 milliliters, which is the most. And this one is 5 milliliters. So not only did I want different shapes, but I also wanted different sizing, you know, because some people like to use a lot of gloss, some people don't, you know, it's all relative. But now I'm going to go with my syringe. So what I did was I took a pipette. This is a pipette. This is what it looks like before I cut it. It has like this little bubble at the end. You can get it from like Michael's, Amazon, whatever. I cut it down the middle, and I put this part, the part that I cut with the scissors, into the tube like this. So it should look like this. So your liquid will just stream, your lip gloss will just stream down once you're finished. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this part out, because you gotta fill this with gloss. This is the gloss, guys. And I'm just gonna take this spoon. It might be easier to use like a wooden spatula or some sort of spatula than a spoon, but this is all I have right now, so this is what I'm using. I'm gonna go ahead and drop. It's taking life. See, with a spoon, with a spatula, it would have been easier because you've been able to scrape it, you know. But I don't have that right now, so. So now this is what your tube should look like. Obviously it would be your gloss in here, and it should be full like this. This is how it should look. And that's the pipette, and it's gonna stream through there. So now you're gonna go ahead, well first, because I know me, I'm very clumsy, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get like tissue or something, because you want to try your best not to get the bottles greasy with the gloss, because I know people wash it and all that type of stuff, but it's not, that's how you grow mold in your bottles. You don't need to do that. So what I try to do is this, wrap it in like plastic or something, so you can just peel it off if it does happen to get greasy. Taking this top off like so. Yeah, I'm about to pass out. Well, it looks really pretty, but look. But I'm about to pass out, bitch. Okay. Now it's full. You want to pull it out before it gets too full, because then you keep the cap on everything will pop off and that'll be a waste of your money for the bottle. So yeah, this is how it looks full. Definitely wipe this part. Pop it in there. This is the cap. I'm gonna push it down right in there. This is the top. And this is how it looks. Yes, come through, sis.